You are watching Daily Market Pulse. Today is Saturday, April 25, 2026. If you want a clean daily read on macro and market risk, subscribe for the next briefing. Recession fears and geopolitical chaos collide with AI-driven growth. Here is the framework for today's briefing. Geopolitical supply chain shocks, how global conflicts are impacting the market. AI-driven industrial Capex boom, the growth story you need to know. Crypto outlook, Bitcoin and the future of digital assets. Daily financial market update, live prices, gold, silver, crypto, equities, US bonds, and trend. Let's examine the impact. Geopolitical tensions are escalating, driving supply chain shocks and market uncertainty. The impact of these shocks is being felt across the globe, with potential for significant market disruption. Investors are becoming increasingly cautious, with many seeking safe haven assets. What to watch next? Oil price movements and energy sector volatility will be key indicators to watch. Now let's look at the growth story. AI-driven growth is transforming industries with significant investment in Capex. The impact of this growth is being felt across the globe, with potential for significant economic growth. Investors are becoming increasingly bullish, with many seeking exposure to AI-driven growth. What to watch next? Capex growth and AI adoption rates will be key indicators to watch. Finally, let's look at crypto. Crypto is a key theme to watch. With significant potential for growth, the impact of crypto is being felt across the globe. With potential for significant disruption, investors are becoming increasingly interested, with many seeking exposure to crypto. What to watch next? Bitcoin price movements and adoption rates will be key indicators to watch. Now let us turn to today's live market snapshot, where gold, crypto, stocks, and bonds are actually trading right now. Now for our daily financial market update. Here is where the key asset classes stand as of Saturday, April 25, 2026. Gold is trading at $4,740.90, lower on the day and is lower over the past 5 sessions. Silver is at $76.41, sharply lower today with a 5-day trend of -4%. In crypto, Bitcoin is at $77,585, higher on the session and higher over the past week. Ethereum is at $2,319, slightly lower today. Other major crypto, Solana at $86.46, BNB at $637.58, XRP at $4,350. On equities, the S&P 500 at 7,165.08, slightly higher. The Nasdaq at 24,836.60, higher. The Dow at 49,230.71, slightly lower. Internationally, the DAX at 24,128.98, lower. The Nikkei at 59,716.18, higher. The FTSE at 10,379.08, lower. On the bond side, the 10-year U.S. Treasury yield is at 4.31%, higher on the session, and the 30-year yield is at 4.92%, slightly higher. Yields remain in focus as the market watches for Federal Reserve signals. Rounding out the macro picture, WTI crude at $94.40 per barrel, strongly higher. The dollar index at 98.51, slightly higher. The overall tone is risk-on. Equities and crypto are both bid, suggesting investors are positioned for continued upside in the near term. So what's the summary and conclusion of today? The market is navigating a complex web of risks and opportunities, with the potential for significant volatility ahead. Investors must stay informed and adapt to the changing landscape. Thank you for your attention, and we will see you again tomorrow.